How to change order of properties when creating macros in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I created this progress bar and I'm on the Fusion page. Here the goal is to make a reusable effect from this progress bar for later use in the edit page. Select all the nodes except media out, and we get this order of nodes, which is not what I want. Drag the nodes in the order you want the properties to appear from top to bottom. First, I need to change the color of this border, then I need to change the color of progress bar. Then I need the font and size of the text. At last, I need some drop shadow options. Now select all the nodes except for media out and choose macro, create macro. And now you can see that the order is applied here. Expand each of the nodes and choose the properties you want. Give it a name and from File menu, choose Save As. Go to Fusion, Templates, Edit. Mine is a generator, so I go to this folder and save it. Now go back to the Edit page, from Effects panel click on Generators, and search for your effect. Drag your effect into the timeline. Select the layer and in the inspector, you can see that the properties are in the order you put them.